With December fast approaching, it's time to pick your seasonal advent calendar. If you're a maker or on the tools and fancy painstakingly assembling a toolkit one day at a time throughout December, then I've picked two of the most popular tool-based advent calendars I could find right now. This one here is from Wera. This one here is from Draper. We'll be comparing the two, looking at what you get. That's right, I'll be opening them before Christmas Day and seeing whether they really offer value for money if what you're looking for is to give a small toolkit as a gift this Christmas time. Now Wera is perhaps the more well-known of the two that I've got here. They've been running an advent calendar since 2010. I would argue that really they've established the tool-based advent calendar market, to which Draper, which is a UK-based tool brand, has kind of pulled this offering up. I think it was available last year. In the market itself, we've got advent calendars from Makita, Metabo, Sealy and Bosch. They all offer something slightly differently and they're all pitched at various different price ranges. So the Wera set is very much designed for the workshop. It has two stands, both of which can be screwed to a wall. 3 Torx drivers, 2 Posi drive drivers, Phillips drivers, 2 and 1, and a stubby, a flat blade stubby, 7mm chisel driver, 3 precision screwdrivers, 2 electrical screwdrivers, 3 hex drive bits, and the T-handle. Comes with 2 adapters that allow you to hold onto screws whilst you're driving, and the obligatory bottle opener. Okay, so if I'd opened the last window on Christmas Day, I think I would be pretty happy with this set. The quality of the tools is excellent. Handles and shafts appear to be really the same quality as you will get with their conventional sets available all year round. There's a good variety of tools and the tool kit itself feels quite complete. And yeah, I think if you were setting up a small workshop or you were giving the gift to somebody to kind of get them started with some basic tools for their shed, garage, workshop, whatever, then I think this would be actually very good. Let's see how the Draper one compares. So the Draper kit is aimed at a very different use case. That is creating a small portable tool kit. Comes with a T-handle. 36 different bits arranged in 6 groups. 10 sockets, various sizes. Multi-adaptable socket. These are very useful. I've bought these separately, so nice to see that in this set. Bit extender. This is a socket adapter. And to be honest, I'm not entirely sure I understand what this is. If you know what this is, you might want to leave a comment below. A little adapter here for 1/4 inch hex to square, and some metrics hex keys. Plus, of course, the bottle opener. Now I'm pretty impressed with this little set from Draper. It's clearly aimed at forming a handy portable kit, maybe for the home rather than the workshop or even the car maybe. Of all of the competitors to the Wera kit, I thought this seemed the most complete, and it pretty much is. The case is pretty decent and fairly robust, and I wouldn't be too disappointed to receive this over 24 days in the run up to Christmas. In the 2 kits I've reviewed, a bottle opener is really the only festive or novelty item in each of the 2 kits, whereas the Makita kit seemed to have a sort of novelty battery bottle opener and some other sort of toys which really aren't for me if what you're trying to do is to give the gift of tools for Christmas. So what I think in terms of value for money, well, I think both kits offer pretty good value for money, to be honest. The Wera kit is a complete set, the tools are decent, and it stacks up quite nicely against other toolkit offerings. that they have in their catalogue all year round. And the Draper set, I think, offers pretty good value for money as well. The tools are fairly decent, and there's a complete set here, and the price point for the advent calendar is pretty competitive compared to the price of similar kits that you can buy from DIY centres and auto centres all year round. So I'm pretty impressed. Comparing the two, well, obviously there's a price difference, but I would be happy to receive either of these at Christmas. Both of these are going on to family members, so you don't go telling anybody in my family what they're getting for Christmas out of this set. So, you know, I would be happy to receive these, and I'm going to be delighted to give them this Christmas. So of course I'll leave links in the description to everything that I've mentioned, including both the kits that I've featured in detail and other advent calendars that almost came close to being reviewed, but kind of got left in my Amazon basket. I'll also leave links to some of the other advent calendars that you saw at the very beginning, including the TaskMaster one, which is what we're going to be enjoying as a family throughout December. Anyway, there's more videos to come, but for now, cheerio.